Okay, so we found a family hospital, Vietnamese hospital. They have a international team that handles foreigners, and we saw it on another YouTube video, so we're just gonna go in and check in and see how everything goes. So here we go, let's walk in. It said the international floor is on the second floor, but we'll just check in and see. Get my translator ready here. Oh, hello. I'm a new patient, international.
Yeah, you go to second floor.
Second floor?
Room 216.
216.
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Okay. So we're gonna go right up to the second floor. Says there's no internet. Second floor. Maybe it was 231. It was 231. So it's right here. 231. No. Oh, I messed up already. I forgot the 231, that's X-ray. Hello, do you know the international check-in? It's over there? Okay.
Mời khách hàng số 0723 đến phòng 206 tầng 2. Mời khách hàng số 060
Right. International? Here we go. Right there, International Clinic. Did you get it? Oh. Do I have to take a number? Hi. Do I need to take a number? Maybe getting some medical treatment here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Excuse me, my video?
Oh, no, it's not okay?
No.
No? Okay, no video.